Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.